Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video. So today we will make a dry moong dal, or in Hindi you can say Kuska dal. So for this we already took all these ingredients, so please see the video till last. You will find how we will make dry moong lentil at your home. So for this we already took this yellow lentil. We have to soak in water before half hour like this, and like we took normally this tomato, onion, green chili, green coriander for garnish, and we already made this ginger garlic paste, and also this all spices like cumin seed and this our round chili. So I like this chili, so like this you should give to taste to this chili, okay, and oil, and in this our red chili 1 spoon, black pepper salt to taste, and garam masala half a spoon, and little turmeric powder, okay. So all this ingredient we need to make this, and also utensils like this chopping boards, also knife this. So I will show you step by step. First what will you do? First we have to boil our this little make here our mixture with our ginger garlic paste and everything, and then when this our mixture will be ready with spices, so we will add this our moong lentil here, and we will cook, because not normally lentil we will cook, this will be dry, so that's why we have to cook in our gravy. I will show you step by steps. If you are new on this channel, still not subscribe, please click on subscribe button also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily, because in this channel you have all informative video regarding this cooking scheme. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, so please see video till last. You will find how we will make in easy step. So let's start, and I will show you step by steps. So let's start. So to make our this dry moong lentil, I already soak our this lentils. We have to soak before half hour. I already soaked, and I already cut this tomato, onion, green chilies like this whole, ginger garlic paste I already made it, and this our whole spices, okay. So whole spices we will put, because I already put here one pan, and here put oil. So when this will be heated, so we will put our this first whole spices, then onion, and then we will put our whole thing. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last, okay. So first we have to wet this or heat our oil, okay. So our oil already heated. We just put first our whole spices like this cumin seed, and this our round chili, round dried chili, and also this little cloves, okay. So we have to mix this, and then we put our onion here, okay. So now this we have to put our onion here, okay. Okay. Now we have to roast our onion till 2 to 3 minutes, okay, like this. Mix well, and 2 to 3 minutes we have to. So I already put my onion here and have to cook till 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add ginger garlic paste here when this will be little golden brown, okay. So we have to wait for golden brown, then we will add our ginger garlic paste. So now 2 to 3 minutes finished. We have to put now our this ginger garlic paste little, not too much, only like 2 spoons, and have to mix well. And then we have to cook this, okay. And add some green chili also, okay, like this. All green chili like this you can put, okay. Not cut, only like this you can put, okay. Because you will cook, this will be cooked proper, okay. So now 2 to 3 minutes, and we will add our spices here, okay. So I already put all spices here and have to mix well, okay, and have to cook this maybe little bit mix. Then we add our this tomato also here, and little butter, because so I already put this our this little tomato also, and have to cook till 2 to 3 minutes, okay. Then we add our this lentil here, and we will cook, because this spice will cook proper, okay. You should cook your spice here, okay. So now this 2 to 3 minutes finish, and I remove water from my this lentil, and we have to mix your lentil here. Okay. So I already put my this lentil here, and little water you put little, not too much, only little, because we have to make it dry. Okay. So not too much, because this will you put too much, this will not dry. So you, for dry you just put little. Okay, and have to mix well and cook here, and we will cover till 10 minutes. Okay. First we have to, first boil will come. When first boil will come, so we will cover it, and till maybe 10 minutes this will be ready. Okay. So we have to wait for like first boil will come. So we have to put like this. You should mix proper. Okay. Check seasoning. And now I add this pure butter ghee also. This butter you can add to give flavor, good flavor. Aroma will be good. Okay, you just add little butter. Okay, so give flavor to our lentil. So now we have to cover, and 10 minutes we have to cook. Then I will show you after 10 minutes. Okay. So now I cover it and have to cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will show you. Okay. Till that time I already chopped my this coriander. We have to put when this will be done for garnish. Okay. So now 10 minutes finish, we have to check our lentil. So wow, see the color and also textures. This is almost done. See the taste. See, like this should be dry. Okay, and see the color and also texture should be like this. So again 5 minutes we have to cook. Little tomato paste we will put, and we will again cook 5 minutes. Okay. We put little this tomato paste also in it, only to give color. Okay, and have to cook again 5 minutes. Okay, cover and have to cook again 5 minutes, because this is ready. But 5 minutes with the tomato paste also we will cook little. Okay, so this will be color will be good, and also will more texture. Okay. I cover it, and 5 minutes have to cook again. Then I will show you when this will be ready. Okay. So now this 5 minutes finish, we have to check our lentil. Oh wow, so this is already done our lentil. See the color and also thickness should be like this. Okay, not too much, only you should dry like this. Okay, if you will do more water will come. So little dry, we have to make little dry. That's why I told you that moong dal in lentil. So you can eat this with the paratha or dal, this rice or whatever, chapati. So this is a delicious recipe. Now this is ready to serve. So now we will put this for garnish our green coriander, and now this is ready to serve. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which video you need. So I will show you how we will serve in plate. Okay. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So definitely our delicious dry moong lentil ready. So this is ready to serve now. So you can eat with this paratha or rice or whatever. So this is ready to serve now. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. And if you are still new on this channel or still not subscribed, please click on subscribe button also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.